Hey, leave her alone. Oh, baby. Oh my God, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, honey.
That's how you do it, shit, like.
Her drama, it never ceases to amaze me. I literally was eating some chips and queso on the counter, and she was begging for some, right? I know Mom's so mean for not giving you that chips and queso. I wouldn't give it to her because I took her to the vet and he was telling me she was getting a little chunky. So I couldn't give her that chips and queso that she wanted, and she's just so sad.
I以为这是草地，这是水，看它，你看它，它要去。
Get it?
All right, show us how you go down the stairs. I swear by the moon and the I'll be there. Or worse.
妈，我来了。
Hi. It's me. What are you doing? Dude, are you good? Louis, come. What are you doing? Why are you so scared? Dude. Ah.
No estoy negro, no. Estoy negrísimo. Y sí, oscurísimo. Con la luz, hacemos el TikTok. Sin la luz, el negro se perdió.
I don't wanna talk about the things we've been through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history. I've played all my cards, and that's what you've done too.
You sleeping? Protesting? Wake up.
You wanna go home, buddy? It's cold out, pal.
Is he okay?
Yeah, he's like playing dead.
Are you getting your sexy on? I just want to know.
There you go again. I love it. But I love love it. I love it.